Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Biologycolony. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss excretory system of Herdmania. This topic is relevant for various examinations like RPSCs and other state PSCs, GATE, BSc, MSc and TGT PGT examinations and many more similar examinations. Also do check out the other videos of Herdmania to understand the topic better. Click on the info card displayed, that is the playlist Animal Kingdom. Excretory system of Herdmania contains only a single definitive excretory organ, that is the neural gland. Now this neural gland is light brown colored elliptical structure, as you can see in this diagram. It is mid dorsal and mental, that is the body wall, and just above the brain. By brain we mean the nerve ganglion. It consists of numerous peripheral tubules arising from a few central tubules which opens into the longitudinal canal running through its entire length. As you can see in this diagram, this is the duct of the neural gland. Now it is also the part of a neural complex that is made up of nerve ganglion, dorsal tubercle and neural gland. Neural gland contains excretory cells called nephrocytes that is present in blood. These nephrocytes collect waste products, mainly xanthin and urate particles. These particles or waste products pass through the lumen of neural gland and its ducts. As you can see in this diagram, these are the ducts of the neural gland that is connected with the dorsal tubercle, as well as it is present above the nerve ganglion. So the neural gland discharges its waste products into the prebranchial zone of pharynx. So this here is the prebranchial zone region where the waste products are discharged from the neural gland. Now, neural gland secretes a hormone that controls oviposition, development and metamorphosis. And therefore, it is considered homologous to vertebrate pituitary gland. It is also a part of neural complex, as I mentioned before, as neural complex is made up of neural gland, nerve ganglion and dorsal tubercle. If you haven't already watched rest of the videos of Herdmania, do check out the playlist called Animal Kingdom. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Biology Colony and stay tuned for more. Bye.